Hello my alien students, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a block in AutoCAD. Okay, keep this guy down for some time and then we move forward from there. Okay, so how do we create a block? Whenever we create a block, okay, remember this, the rules of John, golden rules of John. Always this is the block we want to create. Make sure you are in layer 0. Make sure you see here layer 0. Okay, can you see that? You see my mouse is here. I want you to see layer 0 only. Okay, why? You will understand why. In a couple of minutes you will understand. Okay, now what we want to do is create a block. Can you see this beautiful symbol here? See here, this one. Click that. Okay, this is kind of the old kind of version. This is the beautiful, I love this dialog box. Okay, so let's call him the toilet or whatever. Okay, then he says click specify, pick insertion point, click that. Click maybe here, or we can change it, doesn't matter. Okay, and then you click the object. Okay, let's say convert it to block, remember the name. Okay, uniform, it all looks good. Say convert to block and fine. Okay, so now we've created a block. Okay, let's say we want to insert that block here. Okay, so the same story which I taught in the last class. Click the insert, go to block, recent blocks, say current drawing, type toilet. Okay, now for, so you can say rotate, you say minus 90 degree. Oh, sorry, plus 90, sorry, my mistake. So rotate. Yep. Okay, I'm sorry, rotate. Sorry. Okay, that's 90. Yeah. Okay, I want to insert this here. Okay, you can M2P. Okay, I hope this is clear. So we can insert the block similarly. Okay, this is clear. Okay, so you know how to insert a block. So, oh, made a mistake here. Block should generally be in the rest. When you insert a block, create a block layer. Always create a block layer. Let's say we keep it in red. Doesn't matter. Let's say block. Make it current. It's a block. Okay, I just made it for exaggeration just to show you that. Okay, okay, now let's say we have an object here and I want to create a block. Okay, so there are different methods to do it. Okay, let's show you how to do it. Let's say I want to create a block. So select the items, type B, say door. Okay, I just saw it was a layer 0, so doesn't matter. Base point, convert to block. Okay, scale uniformly. Yeah, I like to scale uniformly. Click OK. So we created a block. Okay, so what I'll do is right click block editor. I will scale this block now. Okay, that means what? You'll see now. This is now, I believe, 3 feet. Okay, 3 feet. So what I can do is I will make it, click lengthen, press tab and make it 1 feet. Okay. Similarly, click this, lengthen 1 feet. Okay, is this clear? Click close editor. Yep, now you see John has made a 1 feet door. Okay, so just remove this and then type, did I name it door? Yeah, I named it door. So when I insert this door, I'm looking for a 1 feet door. Okay, now let me show you what I'm trying to show you. Okay, when I insert this, I would scale it, or I show you another easier method. let's say, let me just show you what I'm trying to convey message. Okay, insertion point, scale. How much do I need? I need it to be 3. Okay, let's click the insertion point. Is this clear? Or so I think I have made the door, I think it's 2.5. So what I have done was actually, okay, this was lucky because he gave a beautiful number, but it wouldn't be the case if I would have made it 1 inch door next time. Okay. I hope you get the picture. How do we insert blocks? Okay. This, if I click this, you'll be using the block. Let's see if I insert. He asked me the insertion point. Okay. Foolish. Okay. Anyway, so I hope you people understood how to draw it. So similarly you can do the remaining ones, right? Okay, so I hope you learned how to create a block. Okay, in the next video I teach you some of the secrets of blocks, in the sense how do you do XREFs and all. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed this class. See you all in the next class. Yeah, bye.